Uh, guys, I think we're in trouble. You mean you are in big trouble. Come on, let's get out of here.
Excuse me, sir, or ma'am. Can I talk to you for a second? Is this like kind of a cottage or something? Lived by a pony or something? I'll take that as a yes. Hello? Anybody home? Did somebody say come in? Don't mind if I do. Maybe I'll better go upstairs. Perhaps wait a minute. Is that a bed? Oh well, perhaps a little nap. 'Cause I'm sleepy. Ugh.
Few inches later.
Oh, thank goodness it's you.
Mario, Luigi. Have they got you too?
Well, almost.
What are we gonna do? I think those ponies got angry at us, but they're gonna come out and get us. Oh no! What do we do? Don't worry, guys. We need to think of something else. Oh, we need to try to hide somewhere. Hey, over there! I think it's like a cottage or something.
Come on, let's go inside quickly.
Oh, maybe Red's in there. Come on!
Terrific, Ernie. A real Egyptian pyramid.
I don't know, Bert. I'm afraid.
Afraid of what? I mean, this is wonderful. Look at all the exciting new discoveries.
Huh?
Yeah, look at all the knowledge here.
Well,
This pyramid must be centuries and thousands even of years old. This is great.
yeah,
Look at
Bert,
these hieroglyphics, all this funny writing.
it's pretty spooky to me, Bert.
Oh, boy, how exciting. And look at this. Look at this funny statue.
Oh, that's a pretty neat statue.
Now, this one's a handsome statue. This is nice.
I think I...
And no counting for taste. Boy, oh boy. Isn't this exciting?
Oh, well, I don't know, Bert. I'm still... Let's go home.
Why?
Well, because I'm kind of afraid, Bert.
Oh, Ernie, this is a wonderful opportunity. We spent all this time getting here. Come on, follow me. Okay, let's look around some more.
You guys go ahead. We'll go hide it in the kitchen. Come on, guys.
Oh, maybe Bert's right. Maybe there isn't anything to be afraid of. It's all in my imagination. Well, I'll just look at these statues over here. Look at that. Bert, did you tap me? Bert's not here. Who tapped me? Bert! Oh, Bert!
What, Ernie, what? What is it, what?
This statue here, Bert. Bert, this statue, it tapped me, Bert.
This statue tapped you?
It did, Bert. It just tapped me, Bert.
This statue here made of stone, thousands of years old, it tapped you?
That's right, Bert.
Ernie, don't you think maybe you were using your imagination? It didn't really tap you, you were just imagining it? Now come on, leave me alone. I'm gonna go explore this tunnel. Boy, oh boy.
Maybe it was my imagination. Sure, it was my imagination. I'm sure it was my imagination. That statue you didn't tap me, did you, statue?
Oh, I'm sorry. Am I interrupting?
What is it? What?
Right, that's enough, Luigi. Oh,
I'm pony. The yellow pony. It just talked to me.
it's just your imagination, Luigi. I'll go upstairs to find Red. But now, Luigi. Oh, I'm gonna find out who that is. Okay, yellow pony. I know you're hiding. Come out, wherever you are. Who said that? Who said that?
Okay, I promise not to hurt you. I just want to be your...
Now what?
I think the yellow pony found me. I think she was yellow. She had yellow wings and a butterfly symbol on it. She has pink hair.
We better wake up Red. There he is. Red, wake up.
What is it, guys?
The yellow pony is here.
What yellow pony? You two stay here. I'm gonna go check it out. Yellow pony. I'm sorry for intruding your home. Can I make it up to you? You might as well come out. What?
Red, where are you going?
Uh-oh.
Going to love!
Where they could be? I don't know. Oof, oof. Oh, guys, there you are. Can we go home now? Yeah. Can we go home now? Well, you just got here. Maybe we should go back to the free time world where we belong. Well, okay. Come on, guys, let's go. Hey, wait a minute. Has anyone seen the Chipmunks?
Where'd anybody go? Mario? Luigi?
Red?
Where are those guys? I hear footsteps. Hide!
They must have been left.
And I say, let's go home. I bet Dave will still be worried about us. Don't worry, Theodore. And as soon as we get out of here, we'll be back home with Dave. Okay? Okay. Someone's coming.
I've never seen a baby dragon before.
Ah!
Oh, cute.
Start moving and words are coming out. We're getting off on the wrong foot. Allow us to introduce ourselves. Hello, I'm Simon, the smart one. He's Alvin, the awesomest one. And I'm Theodore.
Oh, what's your name, pretty pony?
I'm Fluttershy.
Very sorry. What was that again?
My name is Fluttershy.
One more time, please. Oh, I'm very sorry, Miss Fluttershy. Hey guys, she's kind of shy. Yep, just like the purple chipette. Jeanette. Excuse me. Just kidding. Maybe we could stay for a while.
Wanna run, but just 3 more bites.
No,
2 more bites?
no, no, no.
1 more bite?
No.
Pretty please.
Me and my brothers, we could stay for a while. Is that okay? Wait, no. I need to get home from Dave. Come on, Alvin.
Maybe, we should stay for a while with spending time to meet and share or tell stories or stuff, spending time with this Miss Fluttershy here.
Okay, maybe just 5 minutes. 10 minutes? 15 minutes?
Few moments later.
Hey, Dave. So, what do you want to do? Play a game?
Oh, I love games. Pick me.
What do you want to play, Miss Fluttershy?
I don't know. How about a nice, quiet little tea party?
We can play. I know we can play. Come on, guys, let's go.
Yay.
Right this way.
Aww.
It's time for bed, don't you think? Aren't you excited to get all toasty and warm in your snuggly, wuggly little bed?
What? Bedtime? It's not even 8 or 10.
Okay, maybe the crusading can wait until morning, right? And not so dark.
Okay, let's get a good night's sleep. We could start headed up back home in the morning. Okay.
Maybe you'll have a lovely little dream about
My tail isn't bushy till 9.
Oh, okay.
How about I sing you a lullaby?
Yeah. Lullaby.
Now, quiet now. Now it's time to lay your sleepy head. Hush, now, quiet now. It's time to go to bed.
Next day.
Hey, Fluttershy, how you doing? Have you seen the brown chipmunks, kind of red, blue, or green or something? Well, let me go check it out for a bit. What the?
Hi, Discord.
Theodore, Simon, Alvin.
Yes, David dear.
You three are got a lot of talking to you.